In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the power window switches on this Audi A4. These are going to be located in the door panels. Let's get into it. We're going to remove this trim piece, just using a trim tool. Just get behind, just pry it out. Just be careful, you don't want to crack it. And then once it's popped out and you want to slide it forward, there's a clip right there. With a Phillips head screwdriver, we're going to take these screws out. Use a magnet if you need to. Underneath the handle, Phillips head screwdriver. There we go. Take that out. I'm just using a trim tool. Just get underneath the panel. And we're just going to pry it out. Slide that out, and then I'm just going to go up a little bit. There we go. Pull that out. Pull the cable off. Pop that out. Disconnect the hook. And over here, disconnect the connector on the module. Push down on the tab. And the speaker. Disconnect the connector right there. Just push the two tabs in. Pull that connector out. In here, follow the wires. There's a connector. We just want to disconnect that. Push down on the tab. Slide that connector out. We're going to take these screws out. Use a T20 socket. And there's one more over here. Take that one out. And flip it over. Just grab the handle and it comes right out. I'm using a straight blade screwdriver. I'm just going to put a little tension on the switch. Underneath here, you want to release the clips. Just pop those out. And then you could use a pick if it's a little easier on the back side. Pop that out. Take the new switch, line it up, and clip it in. Take the handle, line that back up, and flip the door panel over again. And get all the screws started. Now we'll tighten those down. Now connect the connector. Just line it up. Plug that in. And take the door panel. I'm going to connect the connector. And the speaker. Plug that in. That's good. The cable for the handle. slide the hook through, then push the cable into the bracket. Now we'll get the top started. You kind of need to push the front end first. There we go. Get that all lined up. Tap it back in and put the screws in. Snug those down. Snug that down. Then take this trim piece. You want to clip that in on the back. Push it. And then just tap it down. Now we're going to recalibrate the automatic windows. So what you want to do is have the key in the on position. And then we're going to push the window switch down. And you're going to hold it all the way down, then hold it for 5 seconds, then let go, and then we're going to hold it in the up position, and when it goes all the way to the top, hold that for 5 seconds. After you're done holding it for the 5 seconds at the top, you may have to just cycle it down one time, cycle it up one time, and then try the automatic, and that should work as normal. There you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.